Hi, I'm Pythius and you're watching my masterclass for Soundteams. We're gonna make some Reese basses. Gonna make an analog one. Really focusing on the whole metal and drum and bass side of things. Like, wow! This whole drum kit is being compressed into the next solar system. We're just gonna compose the whole song together, really. My computer is not liking this project anymore.
Are you listening? We released the pin.
Gives the whole thing a bit more energy.
Are you listening? Let's release the pin. So you're sick of
it. I hope you enjoy it. I think you probably will.